Hi, I'm Allison Shields, president of Legal Ease Consulting, where I help lawyers get the most out of LinkedIn. And today, my question for you is, what are you doing with your LinkedIn connections? So many times I talk to lawyers and they tell me they're sending and accepting invitations to connect on LinkedIn, but they have no real strategy. They're just collecting connections and then they don't know what to do with them. In one of my previous videos, I talked about taking the approach to posting on LinkedIn as helping or providing value to your LinkedIn connections rather than just posting about yourself. And you can take the same approach with your LinkedIn connections. Think about how you can help or provide value to your LinkedIn connections. So for example, who do you know, who are you connected to, or who could you connect to that could be helpful to your LinkedIn connections and their business? And then start making some introductions. You can make those introductions through LinkedIn by sending messages to both connections, or by using email, or maybe if they're both local, you can send them an invitation for coffee or lunch and introduce them in person. LinkedIn Groups is another great way to provide value to your connections. If you've found a LinkedIn group that is especially interesting or relevant to your LinkedIn connections, or if that group contains members that would be helpful for your connections to have access to, invite that connection to join that LinkedIn group. You'll also want to take your conversations on LinkedIn beyond just the invitation and acceptance for connection purposes. So for example, you'll want to follow up or send articles or other information of interest to that particular connection. Ask them questions about their business. One great question to ask is, how can I help you? Or which of my connections would you like me to introduce you to? Ideally, you want to take all of your LinkedIn connections offline. Don't leave that relationship sitting just virtually on LinkedIn. So that could be just setting up a telephone call, or meeting for coffee, doing a video chat, or inviting them to accompany you to an event. So tell me in the comments, what are you doing to provide value for your LinkedIn connections? I'm Allison Shields, president of Legal Ease Consulting. And if you'd like to know more about how I can help you with your LinkedIn presence or other marketing and business development, visit my website at lawyermeltdown.com.